Patrik, thank you for joining us.
Thanks.
What brings you to ICOE 2016?
Well, we're here for having lots of interesting meetings, hopefully, and to make a presentation on this new type of technology that we're bringing in Wave.
You have a new technology. Tell us about it.
Well, it's a new type of wave energy converters that use a type of phase control technology that makes these point absorbers oscillate in resonance with incoming waves. And that strongly amplifies the motion and thereby the power capture. So we're able to extract about 5 times as much energy per ton and 3 times as much energy per force compared to previous generations. So it's quite remarkable improvement.
Where are you in the development cycle?
We've passed our stage 2 testing and we're currently in our stage 3 program. So we're now building a half-scale device. So it's a 25 kilowatt buoy, about 4 meter in diameter. And we are currently fabricating it, and we're going to go through a quite rigorous dry testing phase in a large test rig in Stockholm for the remainder of this year. And then we're going to go up to Orkney and install it in the beginning of 2017.
That's very exciting.
It is.
So what makes your device so unique?
Well, it's really 3 main inventions, I think, that makes us different. First of all, it's a pre-tension technology. So instead of having a lot of mass that brings down the buoy to the midpoint by gravity, we use a pre-tension system, and that cuts off about 40% of the weight of the device. It makes it high frequency oscillating. And then on top of that, we bring a new technology called wave spring, which is the phase control technology. It's essentially a negative spring that makes the buoy resonant in all different frequencies coming in from the waves. So no matter direction or the period of the waves, the buoy responds with a resonant response to the waves, which is quite unique. We don't need to measure anything about the waves and we don't need to know anything about them. It's inherently resonant. And that, we think, is the only point absorber that can do.
So how's this product being received by industry?
Well, there's quite a big interest. We are in the pilot with Iberdrola Engineering, so one of the largest utilities in Europe, who are working with us in this stage 3 pilot. And we get a good amount of involvement also from the supply chain. We're having one of the major gearbox manufacturers with us who do a big part of our drivetrain, and some of the larger OEMs also working with us on supplying the different parts of the system.
So coming back to ICOE 2016, what do you hope to get out of it?
Well, we hope to make new contacts with potential partners and with potential end users. We're currently working on proving out those remarkable numbers that we gotten in stage 2 and prove that throughout this half-scale project. And doing so, we're also now in the stage where we're planning more full-scale projects, and we're looking to work with project developers, end users, and other parts of the whole chain of the infrastructure.
So what does the future hold?
Well, we think it holds a lot of small, effective point absorbers that makes wave power effective. That's what we're trying to do.
Great. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks.